There are many healthy and delicious recipes that can be incorporated into a weight loss meal plan for dinner. Some examples include grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Grill a chicken breast and serve it with a side of roasted vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, or bell peppers. Salmon with quinoa and salad. Cook a piece of salmon and serve it with a side of quinoa and a green salad. Turkey chili. Cook ground turkey with canned tomatoes, black beans, and spices to make a flavorful chili. Vegetable stir-fry. Cook a variety of vegetables, such as bell peppers, carrots, and mushrooms, in a wok with a small amount of oil. Serve the stir-fry over a bed of brown rice or quinoa. Turkey lettuce wraps. Cook ground turkey with spices and serve it in lettuce wraps with diced vegetables, such as bell peppers and onions. These are just a few examples, but there are many other healthy and delicious weight loss recipes for dinner that you can try.